The next speaker is Yo Sonobe. He comes from the Faculty of Integrated Human Studies. The title is The Culture of British Horse Racing. Please start your presentation.
Thank you for my introduction. So today, I'd like to introduce you British horse racing. Yeah. Okay, I expect your answer, yeah. So, what do you think about horse racing? Maybe some people think middle-aged men read newspaper and wear dirty clothing and check which horse is good. In short, it's just gambling, just for gambling. Yeah, like that. Yeah, many Japanese people think like that. But British horse racing, I insist, British horse racing is totally different from Japanese one. So today, I want to introduce you what British horse racing really is. So to find out British horse racing, I use two methods: field walk and questionnaire. Actually, in this September, I went to the UK, I went to Doncaster race, and I observed the British race course. And I have some British friends, so I asked them about what you think about British horse racing. So first, I'll show you the results of field walk. I found 3 points. First is clothing. When British people go to the race course, they have to wear suits to dress apart like that. It's very surprising thing, but they have to wear like that. And secondly, spectator. There are a lot of people come race course, but some people is very celebrity. Sometimes elders too come there, and at Doncaster race I went in September. Princess Anne came there. She is the daughter of elders too. So third point is rooms. There are a lot of rooms at a race course, and some rooms are arranged for upper class people. It's very gorgeous. So people go to their rooms which are suitable for their class, I think. Okay, next I'll show you the results of the questionnaire. The participants of my questionnaire is 15 people. And I asked them 4 questions, but today I show you 2 important questions. So first, my question is British horse racing one of the British culture? So result is like that. 80% people think it's culture, and 20% people don't think. But in general, I think many British people think British horse racing is culture. So second question is like that. My question is, some people think British horse racing reflects on the hierarchical society. So what do you think about? The results is like that. 16% people think it reflects on hierarchical society. So I think it means even now, many people think British horse racing, British society is hierarchical society, and British horse racing is a symbol of hierarchical society. So before my conclusion, I explain about the feature of British horse racing according to field walk and my questionnaire. So according to field walk, 3 features are clear. British horse racing is very gorgeous things and aristocratic things. It means upper class people's culture and exclusive things. And according to questionnaire, 2 features is clear. British horse racing is cultural things and hierarchical things. So, field walk, questionnaire, and history. History I researched to refer to a previous study, and this is 3 key clarify what British horse racing really is. So finally, my conclusion: British horse racing is epitome of British society. It's a miniature of British society and British culture. Thank you for listening to my presentation.
Thank you very much for your presentation. So is there any question of Matt? Please give the mic to
Thank you. Very interesting. You did a questionnaire and you showed that 50 peoples.
Yeah.
You give a question to the 50 peoples.
Yeah.
Could you give me a distribution in terms of the age or in terms of the male or female?
Yeah. First, I have some friends, so I asked 15 people is businessman and 15 people are post trainer and 20 people are students. So ask 3 kind of people.
Thank you.
Thank you. Another question? Please come to the mic and give your question. Please give your question first. Yes. Please read.
So, what are the odds that you're going to win this competition?
Sorry?
What are the odds that you're going to win this competition? 10 to 1? Is it 10 to 1, the odds that you're going to win this competition? What is the probability that you will win this competition? In horse racing terms.
It seems to be not academical. Yeah, okay.
No, the academic. If I was to place a bet on you, what would the odds be? What would be the possible probability of you winning this?
Study probability. Yeah, okay. 2 things I can say. One thing, this is when some people study British culture, they can see British horse racing and they search for British culture. And I want to say more things. And British horse racing is a pioneer of modern horse racing. So British horse racing should have been modernized. But as you understand my presentation, British horse racing is very old-fashioned and very modernized things. It seems to be a contradiction, but I don't think so. It means tradition and British horse racing, tradition and modernization coexist. I think this is what things should be like. So, in a certain sense, British horse racing is the antithesis to today's society. Because today's society is everything is modernized and standardized. So, this is British horse racing is one factor to make our society better or rethink our society through British horse racing. This is my answer.
Does he answer your question? Yeah. It's okay?
Somebody else has a question.
So please wait a moment. So please give your question.
Okay, and first of all, so I'm pro with English, sorry, and you mentioned the UK, and how do you feel about theoretical aspects of the culture British horse racing? How do you feel because of what is the importance of now existing this kind of very rich people can begin games?
Of course, yeah, it's very related to upper class people, but now many usual people can go to and join in horse racing. So
now many people
yes,
can join.
yes. But people who sponsored horse racing is, I think, only upper class people. So.
Is he answering your question?
So a coexisting situation is important, you said, right?
Yeah.
Why can you say this kind concretely, please?
Traditionally, is when you can understand levels 2 and 0 or something, and modernized is
so they can
before 18th, 17th century, British horse racing have a different type in one area, have one style and another area. But after Industrial Revolution, they standardize one style, but tradition also exists in Japan. Three.
Thank you very much for your presentation.